excited to take you behind the scenes of how we craft our handmade teak wood dish drying rack. From selecting the finest materials to the final assembly, you'll see every step of this meticulous process. Every masterpiece starts with precision. We carefully cut the finest teak wood to the exact dimensions, ensuring every piece fits perfectly. All the wood is cut. Now, let's move on to assembling it. Using an 80-grit grinder, we smooth every edge and surface, highlighting the wood's natural beauty. We drill precise holes for the brackets, ensuring that every piece aligns perfectly for an easy-to-assemble design. A mix of hardener and resin creates epifix glue, providing unmatched durability for hardwoods like teak. The rack frame begins to take shape as we use custom blocks, nails, and glue to secure each part with precision. Create the sliding box from individual wood pieces. Designed for functionality and elegance, this box will provide additional storage for cutlery and smaller items. bars and racks are secured together using Allen key screws, making the frame sturdy and reliable. We apply wood putty to fill nail holes and minor imperfections, ensuring a flawless finish. This step requires 3 to 5 hours of drying time. After the putty dries, we use a grinder to remove any excess, leaving the surface smooth and even. We follow up with 180 grit sandpaper, smoothing the wood by hand to create a luxurious, silky feel. Surrounded by the serene views of our workshop. We mix and apply the Burma Teak colour, carefully matching the tone to bring out the wood's natural beauty. The first sealer coat is applied, sealing the wood and enhancing its durability. The coat dries for 2 to 4 hours before we move on to the next step. We carefully paint the other side, ensuring the rack is fully coated and evenly finished. Using 320 grit sandpaper, we gently smooth the surface, giving the rack a warm, silky feel you'll love to touch. ensuring it lasts for years. We will send these brackets assembled. From here, you have to install it according to the catalog. Here's the finished product, a beautiful, functional teak wood dish drying rack, designed to elevate your kitchen experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more handmade creations. See you in the next video.